is teacher Mazy and welcome to my math tutorial YouTube channel. And for this video, I will discuss about the subtraction of integers. So how do we subtract integers? There is only one rule in subtraction of integers. So all you have to do is to add its additive inverse or opposite. Okay, so let's use the following given for us to fully understand how to subtract integers. So for example, we have here negative 9 minus negative 8. So let's find the difference of each expression. So it says that we need to add its additive inverse or opposite. So first is, all you have to do is to copy the first term. So that is negative 9. And then we need to change the operation. So from subtraction, it becomes addition. Then get the additive inverse or the opposite of our subtrahend. So this is negative 8, it becomes positive 8. Okay, so now we can add the following integers. So remember, in addition of integers, if we have like sign, we need to just add them. And if the integers has a like sign, one is positive and the other one is negative, we need to subtract its absolute value. Okay, so this time, our integers has a like sign. So that means we need to subtract their absolute values. So that is 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. And then observe which absolute value is bigger. So we have 9 and 8. So 9 is bigger. So the sign of the sum is negative. Okay, since 9 is bigger than 8. Okay, so next example. For example, we have positive 124 minus negative 389. So first step, just copy our equivalent or the first term. So that is positive 124. Then change the operation. So from subtraction, it becomes addition. And of course, we need to get the inverse of our subtrahend. So from negative 389, it becomes positive 389. Okay, so now we have positive 124 plus positive 389. So addition of integers, if we have a like sign, all we have to do is to add their absolute value. So that is 124 plus 389. That is equal to 513. And since the sign of these integers are positive, so the sum is also positive. Okay, next for this third given here, same step, same procedure. So negative 74, just copy it. And then change the operation from subtraction to addition. And of course, get the inverse of the subtrahend, which is positive 96. It becomes negative 96. And then let's use the procedure for addition of integers. So both of them are negative, so let's just add their absolute values, or let's just add them. So that is 74 plus 96. 74 plus 96, that is equal to 170. And then their signs are negative, so the sum is also negative. So for more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and see you on my next videos. Bye!